children, today we are going to start with chapter number 15, Thoughts That Makes Us Better Humanly, right? So in this chapter, we will study about preachers, social reformers, and their tradition of learning and aristocracy. So India is the land of religious and varied culture, right? India is a true believer of God. India is unique combination of religious and social reformer. Kings and rulers, education and scientists, all of them work together to make us better human. So we see around us people following different faiths. We see Hindu, Muslim and Sikh, Christian, Jains and Parsis. Basically अगर हम बात करें जो हिंदू रिलीजन है वो ओल्डेस्ट है. The religious books were written long ago. They include epics like Ramayana, Mahabharata and Vedas and Puranas. So the Hindus respect them and enjoy reading stories from them as they explain religion in a simplified way. They try to follow the teaching of Ram, Krishna and other teachers and heroes. Preachers क्या है, Hindu religion has grown over a long period of time. Many great thinkers and reformers have helped to Hinduism to grow. Some of them were Dayanand Saraswati, Swami Vivekananda, Adi Sankaracharya. So Jainism and Buddhism become popular in our country in ancient time. Lord Mahavira and Gautam Buddha believed in our country about 25 years ago. Right? The society upset them, and what happened? The religious rituals were complex, expensive, and out of reach of common. पहले जो rituals थे बहुत ज़्यादा complex थे, बहुत ज़्यादा expensive थे, और out of reach of common men. They seriously thought how to improve the prevailing condition of society. They preached the people to follow non-violence, and they asked people to adopt what a good behavior. They fought against the ritual. The part shown to the people by the Mahavira, क्या Jainism, और बुद्ध ने क्या show करा था? Buddhism. So what Mahavira taught people: truthful, not to steal, be kind to all living beings, and control one wish. So there are many who follow Jainism and Buddhism. So Christmas is celebrated on 25th December, right? On the word of Jesus Christ, he founded Christianity, and they were born as Bethlehem near Jerusalem more than 200 years ago. He saw that people around was oppressed by price. So people to be peacefully loving and compassionate. He believed that everything could be conquered by love, even an enemy. प्यार से आप दुश्मन को भी अपना बना सकते. He taught that people not to follow principle of tit or eye of an eye. His teaching was further spread by his followers. Bible holy book है, right? Muslim follow Islam. Prophet Muhammad preached and spread Islam. He was born about 14 years ago. During that period, people of Arabia were divided into numerous nomadic tribes. They also fought among themselves. Prophet Muhammad, who taught them the importance of peace and brotherhood, later his followers continued to spread this message of Prophet Muhammad far and wide. Sikhism, widespread in our country. This religion was founded by Guru Nanak about 500 years ago, and it was born in Punjab, and he told him that why people, the low hai, other religion, they fought among themselves. He believed that there was one almighty God and were his children. No matter with what name we called him, God is but one. So he was against blind faith. Guru Nanak picked up the good points from both Islam and Hinduism. Now Parsis, they are also the part of our society, follow Zoroastrianism, and they founded Zoroaster in Iran about 2500 years ago. He believed that the pain in the world was the result of fight between good and evil forces. Forces of good can be much stronger, right? So there would be peace and happiness, and his teachings are in the Jan Avesta, right? Holy book of Parsis. Social reformers were those who tried to remove social evils in the society. Kabir, Rajaram Mohan Roy, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Ramabai Ranade, they are few women. About 550 years ago, Kabir was born near Varanasi. He is poor weaver and his guru was Swami Ramar, right? He did not like the old ideas of Pandit and Maulahs. He spread his message to common man in his own way. He sang bhajan and dohas in the simplest of language. His bhajans and dohas are sung even today. Few decades ago, when the husband died, his wife had to burn alive with a dead body with her husband. उसे हम सती प्रथा कहते हैं. Rajaram Roy, his effort banned this custom. Born in Bengal during the British rule, he was sorry to see the ill which prevailed in our society. Sati early marriage was ignorance were the main ones. He fought against them and tried the best to eradicate them. So Syed Ahmad Khan lived during the British rule. So we can say he had views like Rajaram Mohan Roy. He belonged to Uttar Pradesh. right? Spent all his life to upliftment of Muslims, especially to injustice towards the weak. He worked to uplift education and he started a college at Aligarh, which is known as Muslim University. ठीक है, श्रीमती रामाबाई रनाडे worked for all her life upliftment. It was difficult task. She spent working, kept working. She hailed from Maharashtra. She set up a Poon Seva Sadal and their girls received training and they become nurses. Right? इसमें क्या था, चिल्ड्रंस वेलफेयर के लिए भी काम करा जाता था. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रेडिशन ऑफ लर्निंग. इन इंडिया ट्रेडिशन ऑफ लर्निंग वाज वेरी ह्यूज. सेवरल ब्रांचेस वर देयर. Mathematician, astronomy, and your medical science, they have been in a country, like we can say, the decimal system entirely being Indian. Later, the Arab carried these through Europe. Now, in astronomy, Aryabhatta and Varahamihir are important. Astronomy is the study of motion of heavenly bodies. It's the stars or planets हो गए आपके. During old days, surgery and medicines were highly developed. चराते सुश्रुत ये famous physician थे इस time के. Right? Turks and Mughal promoted popular Urani system of medicine in India. In present era अगर हम बात करें, जो modern sciences cannot be ruled out. जगदीश चंद्र बोस, C.V. Raman, होमी भाभा, ये कुछ important है, important people है इस field के. Aristocracy, today we govern ourselves through our own elected representative, but being ruled by one powerful person is aristocracy. Democracy has been in India since ancient time. Gradually, powerful men broke the tradition and become king. Many kings, they worried about themselves, right, ourselves, and did not rule well. But there were good kings जिन्होंने काम भी करा, improvement करी, as Ashoka, Akbar and Krishna. They were few of them. Next, Ashoka was a great king who lived about 2000 years ago. He fought and won many battles, but the battle of Kalinga changed his life. He felt very sad at the bloodshed and decided to give up fighting. He began to follow what Lord Buddha has preached. He treated all his subjects and he constituted Dharmshala and he wanted people to lead a good and peaceful life. He got message to love engraved on pillars, rock, and people learned. उन्होंने सीखा भी कि what was on his mind. ठीक है, इस pillar से. Now, Krishnadev Rai lived about 500 years. He was a great ruler of southern India. He was brave and learned man. He loved art and promoted it. He was poet and wrote many books in Telugu. He encouraged trade and friendship with other countries. He led this people and kingdom to the path of prosperity. Akbar was another king. He lived about 4th century. He was Mughal emperor. He worked for the welfare of the farmer. उन्होंने farmer के welfare के लिए काम करा. And he got where field measured and levied agriculture tax. He built road and rest houses with money. He promoted architecture, music and literature and he ensured that no one in his kingdom suffered. He treated all equally. सबको equally क्या करा इन्होंने treat करा. So this is your homework. You have to write about Ashoka. Now, hope you understood each and every topic. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.